Hi students, good morning. I am your English teacher. Today Monday class. Okay students, first of all you are put in your attendance status because it's very must and it is very important of one. Okay students, all of you put in your attendance. Okay. Okay students, first of all I ask the questions. All of you, how are you? Yes, I am fine. All of you, how are you? Yes. Are you fine? Okay, good. Right. Now you are all yet or not students? Cannot yet mean. First of all, you are go to eat in your food. Okay. After you will come and see this video. Okay. Okay, students. Now COVID issue also going on here. Yes. So first of all, you are wearing your mask. You are wearing in your mask. It's very important. It's also very must. Okay. Okay, students. When you are all go to outside, mean definitely you are put in your mask. Okay. Okay, students. Very soon our school are also opening. The government also soon announcement. Okay, very soon our school is opening. But your pray God, this is what is that? Yes, that name is COVID. I mean Corona. Yes, they are mentioning. That is biggest danger of one. So you are all pray God. I am also go to school. Yes, I am your pray God. I am also go to school. Please throw the COVID. Okay, please erasing to our world in the COVID. You are all pray God. Okay, okay, students. Okay, your home side steady and prepare well. Okay, students. Today we are see fourth standard English. Today we are see fourth standard English. Right. Okay. Yes, students. Uh, Last class we are discuss about the poem that name is My Robot. Okay, already we are discuss about this poem. Right? Today, what are all the happening? We are seeing in today we are see My Robot book back exercises. Okay, My Robot book back exercise. Okay, clear? Right. Already we all saw the glossary. Okay, right. Today we all see option A also here. That is see here. Yes, match the rhyming words. Already we all saw the rhyming words. Okay, perfect. So first of all, see here, students. How many rhyming words also here? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rhyming words also here. So they are mentioned match the rhyming words. Okay, they are mentioned match the rhyming words. Clear? Okay. See, first of all, I read it. Okay, what is that? Yes, that is the first one. See here, tall, song, rock, rest. Okay, tall, song, rock, rest also here. You see up and down words here, best, all, long, sock. It's also one of the rhyming word. A lot of rhyming words also here. Just we are matching. Okay, just we are match the words. First of all, which is the tall? See here, the first one also here. Yes. Is the answer best, all, long, sock also here. Which is the answer? Tall. Rhyming words. See here, tall, all. L also here. So match tall to yes. Yes, it is the tall all. It is the same as rhyming words mean same as already we are saw the poem. That said I tell you The same word is rhyming word. Okay, tall also here, all also here. You see here in the ending word, L also here, L also here. So I mentioned tall, all. Clear? Okay, students. Next you see song also here. Which is the correct word? Already tell you know. The end of the word matching mean that is one of the rhyming word. So song, long. Song also here, along also here. So I mentioned just I connect to the rhyming words. See it, you see the last word only G also here, you know. Song also G here, along also G here. So that is G is the one of the rhyming word. So now I match the song and along. Okay, and just your see the third one rock also here. Yes, it is the rhyming word. Yes, correct. Rock mean it is rhyming word mean. See here, just I match it. Rock, see sock. Okay. Now I match rock, sock. Okay. So rock also one of the rhyming word. Sock also one of the. I mean double word. Samely continuously coming mean that is one of the what? Yes, rhyming word. Last one also here. Rest and best. Okay. Rest and best also here, which is the rhyming words means yes. See, yes, rest and best also one of the rhyming words. Okay, rest, best. Okay, it is one of the rhyming words also here. Clear? Okay. Next, we all see option B. Fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Let's see. First ones, just I read it. I have a robot big and dash. Already we all saw a poem, you know. Yes, I have a robot big and dash. After I fill the sentence, okay. Second one, I have a robot dash and tall. Third one, it keeps it keeps the sock in every little dash. Okay. Fourth one also here. It never takes dash and dash. Okay. Alright. It never takes dash and dash. Right. First one, I have a robot big and dash. Which is the answer of here? Yes, just I tell you what. First one is answer is yes. I have a robot big and strong. Big and strong. I have a robot big and strong. Okay, right. Second one also here. I have a robot dash and tall. Yes, now we match. Yes, I have a robot smart and tall. Clear? Okay, listen properly. Third one also here. I keeps the sock in every little dash. Okay, I keeps the sock in every little dash. Okay, which is the answer of here? Okay, and I will tell yes, the answer is rock. RACK. Okay, yes. It keeps the sock in every little rock. It keeps the sock in every little rock. Okay, right. See, fourth one also here, you know, it never takes a dash and dash. What is that? Anyone? Now we write here. I mean, I write word. Yes. Yes. It never takes food and rest. Okay, food and rest. Once again, I recapitulate Once again I recap the fill in the blanks. Okay, right. One, I have a robot big and strong. Second one, I have a robot smart and tall. Third one, it keeps the sock in every little dash, I mean rock. It never takes food and rest. Okay, clear? Okay, good. Okay, listen properly. You are here the book? Yes. Option C also here. Okay, that is what? Yes. Answer the questions. The first question, who does it sing? Okay, what does it sing? What does it sing? Who's the sing? Yes. What does it sing? What does it sing? Okay, the first question. Second questions, how do the wheels go? Okay, how do the wheels go? Third one, does it work its best? Okay, does it work its best? Okay, how does it welcome all? How does it welcome all? Okay, how does it welcome all? Just like this read. Okay. First one, what does it sing? The answer of now right here. Just listen. I start here. The first one answer. Okay, now right here. What does it sing? Okay, it sings a nice rhyming song. Just you write it, okay, or you note it. It's not a problem. Okay, now we all see second one. How do the wheels go? Okay, how do the wheels go? Just I write the answer. See here. Okay, how do the wheels go? The answer is the wheels go front and back. Okay, front and back. You see the cycle or bike, you all see the that vehicles means you all see front side, one tire also here, back side one tire also here, that's like wheels. Okay, the wheels go front and back. Okay, the answer is wheel, the wheels go front and back. Now right here. Okay. A third one also here, does it work its best? Okay, does it work its best? Okay, which is the answer of here? Yes, now right here. Yes, it works best. Okay, right. Does it work its best? Okay, the answer is yes. Yes, it works best. It is the answer. Okay, fourth one also here. How does it welcome all? Answer is what? Right. Right here, just listen to me. Yes. Okay. Fourth one, how does it welcome all? The answer is it welcomes all with nice greeting call. This is one of the answer of it. Okay, clear? One second, I fully read. What does it sing? Answer is it sings a nice rhyming song. Second one, how do the wheels go? The wheels go front and back. Third one, does it work its best? Okay, does it work its best? Answer is yes, it works best. Answer. Okay, how does it welcome all? Answer is it welcomes all with nice greeting call. Okay, it is one of the answer of here. I mean, this type of questions. Okay, okay. Okay, students, listen properly. Next, we are see let us know. Okay, now we are see let us know. Right. See here, one girl also here, one animal also here. It is, its name is lion. Okay, one, two lions also here, two girls also here. Just here, they are mentioned. First of all, they are mentioned common noun. Here the naming word girl can be used for any girl. Okay, once again. Here the naming word girl can be used for any girl. Okay, so it is a common noun. So it is a common noun. It is the common noun to it. Let's see here the girl. Girls also here, you know. It is not the common noun. This is a girl. It is a girl. It is a boy. That's also common noun. So here the girl is a common noun. Okay. So see here the lion also explain to it. If a naming word denotes a person, in general it is a common noun. That is under general. General things also common noun. Okay. Right. I have a one pen. It is a common noun. I have a blue pen. It is a proper noun. So pen is a common noun. So there mentions girl. Girl is a common noun. Okay. So there mentioned girl is a common noun. So the line also explain if a naming word denotes a person, in general it is a common noun. Okay, right, they are mention it. Clear? Okay. See here some naming words that denote the person, place and things and common noun. So they are given to the some example of that common noun. Boy, one second I read it. Okay, I explained. Boy, pen, city, fruit, book, king, animal, bird, game. It's also common noun. How means boy? He is one of the boy. All of you are boy. You are the student. Or no, you know you are the student. That's also common noun. Boy also common noun. Pen also common noun. For example, you have a red pen. You have a blue pen. That is the proper noun, not a common noun. Simply they are mentioned pen only. So it's one of the what? Yes, common noun. City. City also common noun. For example, Tanjavur. That is also proper noun, not a common noun. City only proper noun. Sorry, common noun. Okay. Fruit. Fruit also here. No. Fruit also common noun. You have a orange. That is not a fruit, you know. That is orange fruit mean that is proper noun. Fruit only here. So it's common noun. Book also here. It's also common noun. You have an English book. You have English book mean that is a proper noun. Simply they are mentioned book only. It is a what? Yes, it is common noun. King also here. Yes, king mean which king? Which era king? So they are mentioned only king only. So king also one of the common noun. Animal. Animal also common noun. They are mentioned dog. Dog mean proper noun. Okay. Dog one of the animal. So that is a uh, proper noun. So they are easily mentioned animal. So dog mean common noun because lot of dogs there, you know. So that is that like this type of words. Dog is the animal. So that time that is one of the proper noun, common noun. So animal is a common noun. Yes, right. Bird. Bird also common. Which bird? They don't mention bird. Okay. So it is one of the common noun. Game. Simply they are mentioned game only. Which game? Cricket? No. They are don't mention. So game only they are mentioned. So the game is common noun, not a proper noun. Okay, proper noun like that. They are playing a cricket mean that is a what? Yes, that is a proper noun. So they are mentioned game only. So game only mean that is a common noun. So they are mentioning game only, you know. So that's what? Yes, that is common noun. Okay, not a proper noun. Proper noun means they are mentioning only one person name, called a name. Okay, for example, Ravi. Ravi is a proper noun because they are one person. Okay, it is game. A game is a common noun, right? See here, Netra line also here. Here, just they are read it. Here the naming word Netra is used for a particular girl. Okay, Netra is one of the particular girl. It is one of the proper noun. Okay, because they are mentioned girl. Already we are saw it, you know. Girl mean that is proper noun. Which girl? Yes, they are don't mention name. Girl only they are mentioned. Netra also here. So here the naming word Netra is used for a particular girl. So she's one of the particular girl. Okay. So it is a proper noun. Already I tell you no. For example, Tanjavur, that is a proper noun. Pallikaraharam, that is a proper noun. Okay. What? Karandai. Karandai also there. Yes. That is one of the proper noun. Okay. That is only one name there. Place, that is the common noun, right? Clear? Okay, see here the animal also explain. Animal mean the lion also explained to here. Okay, see, if a naming word denotes a person in particular, it's a proper noun, and there mentions that is particular name in that is a what noun. Yes, particular name only coming mean, see here, that is one of the proper noun. Okay, see here, girl. Girl is a common noun. Netra is a proper noun. Okay, right. Here, some naming words that denote the person and things in particular. Already they are given. Here are some naming words that denote the person and things in particular. See here, Siva. Which is the word? Yes, Siva is a proper noun because it is one of the naming word. You know, already we have saw it. Proper noun. Siva also proper noun. Madurai also here. Already I tell you know Tanjavur, Pallikaraharam. That is one of the proper noun. So Madurai also proper noun. Chennai. Chennai also proper noun because it is one of the naming word. You know, right? Mala also one of the girl. It is one of the proper noun because your see girl mean that is one of the common noun because all the people saw girl. One girl also coming mean that is girl. Woman also one of the common noun. See here, they are mentioned Mala also one of the proper noun because it is one of the naming word. You know, only one person are there. See here, Tamil also, that is not like that language or naming. It is one of the only one Tamil. Uh, yes, it is one of the. Some people is also making to the name also here. Yes, Tamil. Tamil also one of the proper noun. Okay, next you see Pari. Pari also one of the proper noun. It is one of the naming word, you know. Next you see English. English also here. Okay, it is one of the what? Yes, proper noun. Okay, right. See here, they are mentioned circle the picture that denotes person or things in common, which is the common words we are making to the circle to here. Okay, we are making to the circle to here. Yes, see here. First of all, I fully read it. Okay, girl, puja, book, English book, tree, mango tree, boy, Arun. Okay, the lot of words also here, you know. First of all, we all see one girl also here, you know. Yes, it is the common noun because they are mentioned common noun, you know. So I make a circle. Okay, make a circle. It is one of the what? Yes, common noun. See here, puja. It is one of the proper noun. It is one of the naming word, you know. So it is proper noun. Book also here. Okay, it is one of the common. Which book? English book, Tamil book. They are don't mention. Okay, so now we make it circle. Okay, right, clear, right. Next you see English book. They are make circle or not? No, because they are mentioned English book, not a common noun. It is proper noun. They are mentioned naming word, you know. So it is one of the proper noun. Next you see on tree also here, you know. That is what? Yes, that is one of the tree. This is common noun. So I make a circle. Okay, common noun, right. Next we are see mango tree. They are make circle? No, it is wrong because it is a proper noun. They are mentioned common noun only. We make a circle, you know. Right. Next we are see boy also here. It is what noun? Yes, it is one of the common noun. Boy, 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 girl, girl, girl. Sir, right. Boy also here. Right. So I make a circle to it. Right. Next you all see Arun also here. It is one of the proper noun, right? Yes, it is one of the proper noun. So I don't make a circle. Clear? Okay. Okay, students. Next you all see here. Circle the pictures that denote person or things in a particular. Okay. Okay. Once again, circle the pictures that denote person or things in particular. Okay. First of all, I read it. Raju also here. His name is Raju. Raju, mango, doctor, book, animal, soldier. Okay, soldiers also here. Right. I asked the question, which is the particular word? Which is the naming word? Raju also here. One of the Raju. Okay. So now we make a circle. Raju. Okay, right. See here, next mango. Its name is mango. It's one of the fruit, like that tasty one of it. Okay, right. So the mango now we make to the circle. See here, now we make it. Okay, okay. See here the third picture also here. What is he? Yes, name is doctor. Yeah, good. Which doctor? They are mentioned don't orthotech or diabetes doctor or heart specialist. They don't simply they are mentioned doctor. It is one of the common noun. So I don't make it because they are mentioned circle the picture that denote the person and things in particulars because it's common, not a particular. Okay, this also particular. Next you see book. Animal, which book they are don't mention. Animal, which animal they are don't mention. Soldier, which soldier they are don't mention, so I don't make a circle. Right, first of all we have see common common noun green and proper noun blue. Okay, so now we make it right. First of all we have see proper noun. This is the proper noun, just search it. See here, yeah, train also here, train also proper noun, so I make it blue color. It's not blue, okay, you are make the blue. It's another blue, just I make it. Okay, right. First of all we are making to the proper noun, after we are making to the common noun. Okay, first of all we are make proper noun. Okay, see here, yes, Velur also here, it's proper noun. So now we try proper noun. Okay, right. Grapes also here, it's one of the proper noun, it's one of the fruit, it is one of the proper noun. Okay, so I make it. Okay, right. Peacock also, yes, peacock also proper noun. Jet also proper noun. Okay, okay. Planet, which planet, so it is common noun. Okay, so now I make it crazy, it is common noun. So now I make it, I don't have a green color, so I give blue color, black color. Okay, so I mention black. Okay, common noun. Fruit also, which fruit? Okay, simply they are mentioned fruit only, so make it, so it just imagine it green color, so I make it black color. Okay, it is one of the green color, just you are imagine it. Right, okay. Onion, yes, that is not a common noun, that is a proper noun, that is onion only, no, proper noun, so I make a blue color. Okay, right. Ball also common, which ball? Football, cricket ball, so they are don't mention simply ball, so it's common now. Okay, planet, which planet? Lot of things are the planet, yes, so we make a blue color. Because the space also one of the planet, earth also one of the planet, so I simply I mentions common now. Okay, so see here, it is what? Yes, it is common noun, common noun, proper noun, proper noun, proper noun, proper noun, common noun, proper noun, proper noun, proper noun. Okay. Grassy, fruit, earth, onion, peacock, train, ball, velour, planet, grapes. Clear? Okay. Next your C. Listen to the audio and answer the followings. Any answer you take, it's not a problem. Okay. First one. Why did Jacqueline invite Sabina to her house? One second. Why did Jacqueline invite Sabina to her house? Okay. Uh, I make it the answer. The first one is too steady. So now I tick it. Okay. Okay. Did Sabina go to Jacqueline house? Yes or not? Yes. Okay. Now I mention yes. Who has the big bus? Who has the big bus? Big bus? Because why did Jacqueline invite Sabina to her house? Because to study. So did Sabina go to Jacqueline house? Okay. So who has the big bus? Yes, Jacqueline also go to there. Sorry, Sabina also going to Jacqueline house. So Jacqueline also, I mentioned the answer. Okay. Who has the robot? Yes, because yes, Sabina. I mentioned Sabina. Okay, just Sabina, right? Because why mean Jacqueline also opted to Sabina. So I mentioned Sabina. Okay, right. Fifth one. Who said? Interesting. Yes, yes, Jacqueline. Jacqueline also talk about interesting, right? Clear? Okay, good. Listen properly. Next, we have what we see. Let us speak. Okay, let us speak. See how they speak at this situation and particular as here as if you were in that situation. See how they speak at this situation and practices as if you were in that situation. Okay, so here they are just communicate. See here, one boy and one man also communicate with here this situation time. Okay, just I watch it. Okay, I want color pencil uncle because he's the uncle, one of the person, big person. Okay, this boy also telling, I want color pencil uncle. Just his reply to him. What do you want, kid? Kid mean child. Okay, right. First of all, he also talk about him. What do you want, kid? That time he also replied, I want color pencil uncle. The man also, I mean, his uncle also replied to him, how many pencils do you want? Just he tell, I want one complete bag. I want one complete full bag. His want. So he's tell, I want one complete bag. How much it? How much is it? Okay, he also telling, I want one complete packet. How much is it? Okay, so now he's replied, because they are asked the question how much is it. Okay, so they are, I mean, reply to him, it is 25. Anything else? Okay, that packet price is 25. So his reply to him, its price is 25, so it's 25. Anything else? Right. Okay, now his reply to him, what is the price of that bat? What is the price of that bat? Because of that shopping site bat also there. See here, see the cup, the bat also here, this picture. Yeah, good. Now his reply to him, the bat will cost you 100. See here, 100 rupees they are mentioned. The bat will cost you 100. Can I give? So they are asked the question to him. That time the boy also replied to his uncle, I mean the shopkeeper. Okay. All right. See here. No, uncle, I don't have money for that because he have don't money. Okay. No, uncle, I don't have money for that. So his reply to him, I will buy it later because he's no money, So he's telling, I will buy it later. Now take this 25 for this pencil. Now take this 25 for this for the pencil. Okay, for the pencil. Now take this 25 for the pencil because that time he's get that 25 rupees pencil also he's getting. Okay, that time the shopkeeper also replied to him, yes, here are the pencils, visit again. Okay, here are the pencils, visit again. Okay, yeah, good. Clear? Okay, listen. Structure the useful for this situation. There mentions structure the useful for this situation. Structure that are useful for this situation. They are mentioned it. Okay. See here, they are show the board. One board, two board, three board. Two kids also here. One girl, one boy. They are mentioned. Sometimes you are go to shop mean we are how to make it pronounce. Yeah, how to make it pronounce, how to communicate with others. They are mentioned. Okay, first one, how much is the pencil? They are mentioned, see here, where is it? Yes, how much is it? How much is the pencil? How much is the bat? How much is the ball? So just I mentioned how much is the bat. Okay, right here. Anyone you write is not a problem. Now I write bat. Okay, bat or ball. Anyone is right. It's not a problem. Okay. Next, what is the price of this? Anyone is or ball? What is the price of ball? What is the price of bat? Or what is the price of it? It or this? So now I mention it. Okay. Anyone, it's not a problem. What is the total amount? What is the total? What is the total amount? Anyone you tell. Just your go to shopping and just communicate it. Just read it. Okay. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Just they are asking. Can I get this ball or bat? Okay. Now already I tell you bat. So now here ball. Okay. Just anyone pen, pencils, anyone you write, it's not a problem. I want dash. Yes, I want bag, I want pencil, I want book, anyone. And so on our right, I want book. Okay, I want book. Okay, so there mentions how much should I pay? Can I pay by card? Because they are have a credit card, credit card, debit card, ATM card. So they are mentioning how much should I pay? Can I pay by card? Do you have change? They are asked question. Do you have change? Change by money, paisa. Okay, these are all the words you all are used to in this type of situation. You go to shopping mean definitely you are using. Are you clear? Okay students, today class over. I meet next class. You are study properly in your home or and you are stay safe, stay home. Bye bye. I meet next class. Okay.